Do you know those things that feel like I should have recorded this, but then it's too late and it's already done? Okay, so this is my drawing of my editor. Yes, this is the architecture of my multi-agent writing editor. I think in my previous video you should have seen it. So what it does is you have a user go in, select which content type they want edited, and then we have this agent orchestrator with different multiple agents working in place. And you can see there's the research agent, there's the grammar agent, fact check agent, audience agent, and the style agent. Once they work together and figure out, okay, this is probably the output, they now go into a refined output, which is by the lead editor. So I have like a manager for my edits, and then we have the annotated content, corrections, and comments. I did not create this. AI did it for me. So the first thing was, this is my VS Code. So the first thing was adding an MCP server. I added it as an HTTP server, and I went to the Excalidraw repo and got the link. So let me see if I can recreate that. So let's see. Yes, this is my file. So if I go to the Excalidraw MCP, this one. So I came into the Excalidraw MCP, and for that, there is a link. This is the link to the remote server. Went back to VS Code, added the URL, and then confirm your input, and then you add your name, so it can be Excalidraw or something, and you have your server. So how do you know that it's added? First things first, you come into your tools and you will see Excalidraw MCP server amongst your tools, right? Okay, so we've added our MCP server. So what did I do? I went in and told it, yeah, this is my repo. Please understand the README and how the agents build, and create for me an Excalidraw diagram. It's supposed to be an Excalidraw diagram. And it did. So it reviewed my README. So you can see it went through my README, and then went through the orchestrator.py, went through the beth.py, then understood what the architecture for my application is. Then it ran the README for the server. So this is how the README looks like. So the format and everything. And then, yeah, it created a document for me, right? So this was the document I created. Very interesting, right? Just needs a few edits and it will be well. So what did I do? Once I got to the architecture, I was like, okay, add the drawing to the repo. So it added it. This is the addition. So to be able to edit here, I had to add in an extension. I am not highly recommending it because I don't know who PomDTR is, but it works and it's really, really nice. So I added this as my extension, and then this is the output. So I was able to go in and edit, just do some tiny fixes, like very tiny fixes, like I just need one arrow for here, right? And then you can see everything in place, all the agents and how it works. And I'm loving this extension. I like having everything visual. So it's I think it will be like one of my top 10 extensions in one of my top 10 MCP servers in 2026. What do you think? It's perfect, right?